Are you insane like me? Been in pain like me? Bought $100 bottle of champagne.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first impression on these bibis. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aquacealer, which is a concealer. I've been seeing these all over on Instagram, on YouTube, and I needed to... Daisy, stop making noises. I've been seeing a lot of people using these on Instagram and on YouTube and stuff, so I was really into picking these up, which I'm super excited about. I also picked up this cute little, like, travel-sized Tarte Skincare High Performance Naturals. It kind of goes along with it. I've been using this for probably a week now. It comes with Deep Dive, which is a cleansing gel. Then it comes with Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. You spray this on after you get out of the shower. I don't know if that's like a toner or something, but it smells really good. And after you go through with the Tarte Drink of H2O Boost Hydrant. So that's that. And then they're little minis. I have the cleansing gel in the shower, but this is what they look like. Started off today with that. And that's basically it. So this is my first impression on the new Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte Aquacealer. I start off with a primer. I'm probably just going to prime one side of my face. So I'm going to take my Nivea for Men Post-Shave Balm. I'm sorry if I turn because my mirror's over here. I'm going to work in a little bit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this, tell you guys how I feel about it, and then after I will check in. So one side is primed and the other side is not, which feels really, really awkward. I don't know if I can do this. The shades that I got are fair because I'm very pale. And then I also got deep because I wanted to try it as a contour too. Before I get into using it, I'm just going to read a little bit about it. I'm looking on Sephora.com right now. It says it lasts 12 hours. So let's see how long it lasts. We'll check it out today. It says what it does. Lock in radiance, hide imperfections, and hydration your skin. And hydration your skin with this concealing serum. Formulated with concentrated levels of pigment suspended in deep conditioning serum, it contains 20% water to deliver the coverage you desire while moisturizing skin. Apply it directly from the custom applicator wand to mask any redness, dark spots, acne, or to brighten up the under eye area. What it is formulated without is parabens and phthalates. Let's just get right into it. I'm going to start by using the Fair, which is probably what I'm going to use the most because I'm not going to contour all the time. It won't come out of the box. So this is what they look like. They're super cute. Aren't they adorable? I love the packaging for it, for everything actually. The box is cute. It has like an ombre from purple to blue. And then the tops of these have an ombre too, from gold to purple. Open it up and it is a little concealing wand. Now one thing that I did realize when I was testing the product out is that it is very liquidy. The point of this product is to hydrate your skin while concealing, getting rid of redness or anything like that. So it makes sense as to why it's a little more liquidy than you would think it would be. Draw a triangle. Under the eye like that. Do I look good? What I've noticed about the applicator is it is really soft. And really smooth and then nice on the skin. I'm just gonna go under left eye. Again, I apologize that I'm looking away from the camera, but my little mirror is over here, so I need to see what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go through with deep and put this where I would contour. One thing that I have noticed too, it also does hold a lot of product, so you don't need to keep on going back in and getting more product out. I'm just going to go through it and take the light again, just under here, to highlight that. Now that I wet my Real Technique sponge, I'm going to take it and blend out this concealer. I'm going to use the sponge on this side, and then I'll use the brush on the other side so you guys can see how both of them work. So what I've noticed is a little goes a long way. Hopefully that'll be fine to work with. I'm a hot mess. I'm a hot mess. But it's really easy to blend out. Really do like the coverage. We're just going to go through and add a little bit more light under the eyes. And for the other side, I'm just going to take my angled top face brush by XO Beauty, and I'm just going to blend that out. Since I left this on my face for a little bit, it's probably going to be a little hard to blend out, but we will work with it. It really wasn't that hard, look at that. It already blended this. You can definitely still see it sitting on top of the skin. With the brush, with the sponge, it just set it right into the skin, and honestly makes it look so natural. I mean, natural contour, that's what we always have. Yeah, it definitely made this side sink into the skin and make it look really natural compared to this side where it's kind of just sitting on with the brush. But I'm just going to continue with that. I don't like doing it with the brush. I'm just going to go back to the sponge. So it definitely has good coverage on the skin, so if you wanted to wear this as a foundation, you could. If I'm gonna be like running around all day and stuff, I don't want a lot of makeup on my face. I just want something that's gonna be wearable, but it's also gonna make my skin look flawless, and I really think that this stuff has done that. It's pretty easy to use. Obviously you can add more if you want to. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more under my eyes. It did definitely cover up most of my imperfections. You can still see some through, so I would say it has like a light to medium coverage. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, set everything, and then I will get back to you guys after and tell you how I feel about applying other products on top of it and stuff like that. I have to say that I seriously love this stuff. The Rainforest of the Sea Aquacealer by Tarte is amazing so far, I think. It was really easy to blend out. The applicator is really soft. I liked applying with a sponge way better than a brush. It definitely set in the skin nice instead of just sitting on top. I can still see some of the imperfections on my skin, so I would definitely say it's a light to medium coverage. Used Well Rested by Bare Minerals to set it. I will come back later and tell you guys how I feel end of the night before I wash it all off. Right now it is 12:53. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. Hey guys, just doing an update on my makeup. All I did was kind of just touch up the powder throughout here. Contour stayed really well also. You can still see it. Definitely think that using the beauty blender on the side definitely helped compared to the brush on the other side. It's definitely sitting better. Also, I think another reason why it's sitting better on this side is because there was a primer here too. So that's basically it from my update. I'm currently at my sister's and I'm going to bed. So good night.